Good evening. It is my pleasure to welcome everyone to Portland High School's virtual open house and back to school night. I am Kate Lawson, the principal at PHS, and I will be introducing our evening. As with everything in 2020, we are doing things a little differently this year. This Google site has been designed exclusively for open house. Each teacher has prepared personal videos describing each course and curriculum. Teacher pages are also supplemented with important documents and expectations. This is a self-directed evening. Please explore the pages of interest to you. I've also provided a narrated slideshow sharing PHS updates and news from each of the classes. Teachers are available this evening via email from 6 p.m. until 7:30 to answer questions or schedule a needed follow-up conversation. We will also make this website live and accessible via our high school homepage for the month of October. Thank you.